Hello everyone, myself Prajwati Nixon Rodrigues once again welcome you all on my channel. Today we are going to learn a trick of how to find out square root of numbers which are the perfect square. But before we shall start, if you have not subscribed my channel then please subscribe it and don't forget to click on bell icon to get the notification for the new videos. To find out the square root of numbers which are the perfect square, my dear children, you must know squares of numbers at least till 10. So let's make list of squares of numbers. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. Today I am going to teach you a trick to find out the square root of numbers very easily. So let's take one example. Suppose you want to find out the square root of 729. What will be your first step? First, you have to form the groups. To form the groups, you have to start from the units place and just count 2 digits and draw the dotted line. This will be your first group and the remaining digits will come in the second group. So, I will just write down 2 here. After that, you have to just focus on the first group, units place digit. What is the units place digit here? 9. Now in squares you have to observe where you can see 9 in the units place. 9 you can see for the 3 square as well as 9 you can see in the units place in the number 49 which is a square of 7. So here there are 2 possibilities, 3 and 7. But out of these 3 and 7, you have to select one number. Which one you have to select? That depends on the second group. Now you have to observe what is the second group number. Second group number is 7. Now you have to see 7 comes in between which 2 squares. If you will see, 7 comes in between 4 and 9. But 4 is a square of 2 and 9 is a square of 3. So out of these 2 numbers you have to select the smaller number and here smaller number is 2. So that will be your first digit for the answer. After that you have to just take down the product of 2 and 3. What is the product of 2 and 3? 2 3s are 6. This product you have to compare with the digit from the second group. Here the second group digit is 7. If you will compare 7 and 6, 7 is greater than 6. So out of these 3 and 7, as 7 is greater, you have to select the greater number. And here the greater number is 7. So your answer units place digit will be 7. So what is the square root of 729? 27. Let's take one more example. Suppose you have to find out the square root of 5184. As I said, first you have to form the group starting from the units place. And first group will be of 2 digits. So I will just draw the dotted line to make the groups. And remaining digits will come in the second group. So this will be your first group and this will be your second group. After forming the groups, you have to just focus on the first group units place digit and that is 4. Now you have to see in squares where you can see 4 in the units place. One you will get it here 4 and one you will get it in the number 64. But 4 is a square of 2 and 64 is a square of 8. So out of these two, you have to select one digit, but that depends on the second group number. Now here the second group number is what? 51. Now you have to see 51 comes in between which two squares. If you will observe, 51 comes in between 49 and 64. But 49 is a square of 7 and 64 is a square of 8. So out of these two, you have to select the smaller number. Smaller number is 7 here. So that will be your first digit. Then you have to take down the product of these 7 and 8. 7 8s are 56, which you have to compare with the second group number. Second group number is 51, which is smaller than 56. As the second group number is smaller, out of these 2 and 8, you have to select the smaller number, and here the smaller number is 2. So that will be your second digit for the answer. So therefore, square root of 5184 is equal to 72. Hope you understood today's trick and like the video. Then please like it, share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.